Hey guys, Namaste, welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. Today in this video we will learn how to add the Facebook Messenger chat box in any website. Either you are using a blogger or a WordPress, you can use easily a Facebook chat box in your website in just few steps. So to learn how to add Facebook chat box into your website, please keep watching this video until the end. First of all, please like our video and share it how much you can, and please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we publish a new video. So let's begin. First of all, please open your Facebook fan page that you connected with your website. Now I'm in my Facebook page. Now on your page there is a settings link on your right top corner. Just click on this settings. After this, click on the messaging link on your left side. Then the messaging setting page will be open. Just scroll down a little bit down. Here you will find add messenger to your website. So to add your messenger on your website, just click on this get started button. And then the setup messaging plugin starts. Just click on next. Then choose your default language that will appear in the messaging plugin. And here is a greeting message that appears whenever your visitor clicks on the Facebook chat box. You can change it as per your requirement. Just click on the change button and change whatever you want and then save it. After then, click on next. Now you can change your colors of your chat box. Just turn on the custom colors and choose which color do you want. As my site, I have green color theme, so I like to make my chat messenger in the same theme color. So I just choose the same green color in my setting. After then, again click on next button. Now add your domain address. Here my domain address is, just I'm going to copy my website address and paste it on this text box. And then click save. Your website is saved successfully. Now just copy the code in your right side box and paste just after the body tag in your website. I'm using a blogger for my website, so I'm showing how to paste the code into the blogger. If you are using WordPress or any platform, you can use as your system. Just paste that code just below your body tag. For now, I'm a blogger, so I'm going to theme and then I click edit HTML. Now just find the body tag. Just scroll down a little bit. Here is my body tag started. So just below this body tag I have to paste the same code as copied from the Facebook. As my site has already a Facebook Messenger chat box, so the same code I had already pasted. So I'm just going to delete it and paste it again. I'm just going to paste the same code as I got from the Facebook chat messenger setting. After then, just hit the theme button. Oh, I got some error phrasing XML. The code given by the Facebook made some errors for this blogger. Maybe it will not be so in your system, whatever you are using, WordPress or any other CMS system. But for blogger, it's showing one error. To fix this error, just scroll down to the attribution, and on the value of this attribution, just give the double quotes in the front and end. You need to just add double quotes in the front and back of this setup tool value of attribution, and then click the save theme. Congrats! You're done adding your Facebook Messenger code into your website. After pasting the code into your website, you can return back to your Facebook page and just finish this dialog box by clicking the finish button and click on done. Now just check your website. Now you will get the Facebook Chat Messenger logo on your right bottom corner. Any visitors of your website, they can click on this button and they can chat to you. They can get support by chatting online. In this way, you can add this Facebook Chat Messenger in any of your website very easily. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. We'll come back again with new tricks and tips videos. Until that, take care and goodbye.